Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to organize a PDF file using the ILovePDF app. Just open the app and go to the tools. Here you can find this Organize PDF button. Tap on it and select the file you would like to work with. Next. And now we can easily drag one page and drop it so we can change the order of the pages. We can even add a page here, and that's basically it. If you are satisfied, click on the tick on the left, and after that you can easily download your file, you can share it and do whatever you want to with it. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.